I woke up in the morning, opened the door, and this fell out. So I did this. I created this Fortress of Solitude. Here we are at my 2002 Chevy Silverado 1500 5.3 Z71 with 288,000 miles on it. And we're going to replace these door lights. So these door lights, they clip on right here towards the edge over here between the red and the white portion of this light. And you can pretty much take a screwdriver and pry them out. Or if you have the trim removal tools, you can use those instead. Now this connector here, the male and female connector, it just slides in together. Now, because I'm not going to be reusing the old light or any parts of it, what I did is I went ahead and stuck the screwdriver in between the male and female portion of it. Here is the light's female portion of it. And if you look right my other hand, where my thumb is at, that's a little clip that goes into the female portion. I stuck it in between those two and was able to pry the light off. And to connect the new light, very simple and easy. Now here's the new light below. As you can see, same length, same width, the same little connecting tabs, same female connector. Reconnecting the light is very simple. You just insert the connector back into the light. You can see there's a little guide there that shows you which way it's supposed to go in, and then you just put it back on the door and you pop it right back in. Simple as that. And this is what the lights look like during the day. They are very bright. They're LED lights. And this is how it looks like at night. Now these lights are very bright. They light up the back seats, the front seats. I mean, the whole cab just glows. It just blows up an explosion of light. If you want to update your lights with some LED lights like this, if you look in the description below, I'll have a link for you where you can get these lights. If you like this video, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that way you know when I upload another video of a repair or maintenance on my 2002 Chevy Silverado.